go. 1,000 pounds. And Tanner always has this motor tuned pretty good. They don't lack the power right on down the track. Looks like he's up probably over 200 feet already. Front end's coming off the ground over to the right a little bit. Now he gets it, flips it up, whoa! And this track is just as bad as the weight.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It looks like they might have one or two more on there. So we'll see how he does. And at 3 miles per hour. She's going over the speed limit, so once she gets up to those double cones, she's going to have to slow down, not honk the horn. She's about 15 feet away from the cones right now. And she's running at 2.7, 2.9, 2.8 miles per hour. As long as she stays under 3, she'll be okay. 2.4 now. Starting to pull a little harder. She can give it a little more throttle if she wants. That suitcase weight way out there in the front, that goes to keep that front wheel down, and she's starting to slip a little bit. Oh, got through the soft spot. There she goes. Got through the soft spot, and now she's up over 180 feet. Boy, that's quite a deal. She picked up another almost 30 feet there. She gets the flag, and we get the green flag. And Howard Nunakoven's off and running at 6,500 pounds. Big 6-cylinder diesel under the hood. This is a local farm tractor, restored in 2008. It's got a whopping 282 cubic inches, 6-cylinder diesel. And this tractor is the one that replaced the 450 series. Remember the 450, which was probably, went back far enough, probably was like the Super M. And the 450, now the 560. Made in 1959. You can tell roughly when they were made because of the different color scheme. That cream colored white that's on the side of the tractor, that's got a special name. I forget what it is. But at our last show, Howard told me what that white color is called. He called full red.
This is the report.
I already did.
Got big tall tires on the tractor. A lot of these D14s came with 28-inch tires, I think it was. Shorter ones, but these taller ones give you a little better grip, a little more rubber on the road. And he gets the red flag at okay, we're off and running. Here's the two black smokestacks, away we go. Real good pull there, all the way to 267.88, 267. Nice pull there by Jason. David Notar gets stopped at 142.94, looks like.
Nope. They finally gave me an phone. It works for a couple more weeks, and then I'm still waiting.
Okay, we get the high sign from the north end of the track, and the green flag down here on the south end.
I got the coolest phone, Uncle.
David Notar from Blaine with the big 06 Dodge, 3/4 ton with a big Cummins engine, and away we go. here. It's the back from the end of the track, it's empty at the top of the hill. We don't want anything to go wrong with the pickup and have an accident.
Alright. Yeah, text me if you figure it out.
Randy Calloway from Moses Lake with a 2001 Ford F-250.
Like for rent. Rentbull.com. Alright.
Okay, now there's a pullover Moses Lake on October 7, 8, and 9, and on the 8th will be pickups over there. And Brandy's involved in organizing that. Okay, she's making a good pull.
Oh my god. He texted me, here we go. Jeff got and blind. Hey, dude, get the suspended. I don't like the story.
Okay, much better pull that time. That went really well. Don't have my glass on. Lorene and Lynn Hill from Mahomie, isn't it?
You better
Stock,
see the one I
mega cab.
Those don't your place.
Oh, it's a company truck for dynamic diesel and it's 3/4 ton Ram, 2007 Dodge, and it's a 2500 3/4 Ram. And they're running street stock.
She just got that truck like a month ago. It's all stock still.
Excuse me, 2007 Dodge.
Whatever. Your dog looks like
Yeah, she's gonna build it this winter, but it's all stock right now.
family's dog. Part of the family, so it's kind of your dog at the same time.
No, this is my dad.
Okay, well, whatever. This is still likes you more than you.
Look here.
Hey, good address, though. Oh, hello. That was a good night.
Okay, we get the high sign down there from the north end of the track, and that's the green flag.
You didn't get away with it, huh?
And the red truck is off and running, chain's tight, and we'll see, not going to bounce, give her a little fuel. She's not giving it lots of fuel, so we'll see how this goes. Well, made it down to 129.57 feet on that run.